Here's how we can shorten a video by making it faster on the iPhone. Let's talk about it. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, if you want to do it directly inside of the camera, then obviously the mode which you have to switch to for that purpose is the time lapse. So time lapse basically just lets you put your phone on a steady, surface. Somehow you mount it on a tripod or something, and you wait like 30 minutes while it's recorded, and then it's going to be like 20 seconds long video captured from those 30 minutes. I'm just mentioning, the examples of the numbers. It's not going to be exactly the same thing, but you get my point. However, if you have a video already existing, it's like regular footage in your Photos app and you want to speed it up by making it faster, then, well, in that case, you need to use a video editor for it. I personally like to use CapCut, even though more apps are going to be having that feature, but you can import that video clip into CapCut video editor, select it below in the timeline and click on the speed adjustment. Choose the linear, even though you can also play with the curve, but when you go to the linear, you can make it go like 10x the speed, right? So the original video might be, 10 minutes, and you can just, make it 10 times faster, and it's going to be 1 minute instead, right? So that's how it works. You can even make it go much faster than that. So that's kind of how you can speed up your clips even later, even in post-production after you finished recording them. So that is how I like to do it. Let me know if there is some specific scenario which this didn't apply to, so I can make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.